This is the elevator. This is another elevator at the Mall of Columbia in Columbia, Maryland. Sorry. There you go. I got the door for you. Two?
We'll wait for you right there.
Okay. Yes. Look at the ceiling. Who you see? Hi. No handrails. Here we go. This thing's bouncy. Look at the mirror. Who you see? Hi. Oh, it's owned by GGP. Oh, GGP owns this mall. Go now? This is the auxiliary elevator at the Mall of Columbia in Columbia, Maryland.
Okay.
I'm an elevator enthusiast.
Okay.
I film elevators as a hobby.
Oh.
You can get in. I'm sure you'll be fine.
Appreciate it.
Nice cab. Nice cab.
Thank you.
Schindler MT fixtures. Your control panel.
Okay.
ADA phone.
Awesome.
There's. Look who you see in the ceiling. Hi.
Hi. You are awesome. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
You're welcome.
All right.